Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best egg incubators that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium incubator, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Matacoop X20 Egg Incubator. This incubator is a fantastic option for hobbyists or beginners looking to hatch up to 20 eggs at a time. One of its standout features is the built-in egg candler, which allows you to observe embryo development without needing additional equipment. The automatic egg turner rotates eggs every 60 minutes, mimicking the natural behavior of a hen to ensure even heat distribution and healthy development. Additionally, the external water refill system makes it easy to maintain humidity levels without disrupting the internal environment. In terms of design, the Matacoop X20 is both compact and sturdy, featuring durable plastic materials that are easy to clean. Its circulating airflow system, powered by a strong fan, ensures a stable temperature throughout the incubation process, which is critical for successful hatching. The lightweight build makes it portable and ideal for indoor use, while the gray and yellow color scheme adds a touch of style. Performance-wise, this incubator excels in maintaining consistent temperature and humidity levels, making it reliable for hatching chickens and other small poultry. However, it is slightly limited in capacity compared to larger models, which might not be suitable for those looking to hatch larger batches. Overall, the Matacoop X20 is a great option for small-scale hatching projects, offering excellent value for its feature set. Pros include ease of use, compact design, and affordability, while the limited capacity might be a downside for some users. At number 4, we have the Apto Hatch Pro 12 Egg Incubator. This model is perfect for those who value precision and flexibility in their hatching process. The upgraded Hatch Pro 12 features an innovative 2-in-1 humidity control system, adjustable air vents, and a digital temperature control display for precise monitoring. With its automatic egg turner, this incubator eliminates the need for manual egg turning, promoting healthy embryo development every 2 hours. The 360-degree transparent observation window allows you to witness the entire hatching process, making it both educational and captivating. The design of the Apto Hatch Pro 12 is sleek and user-friendly. It features detachable trays for easy cleaning and a compact build that fits well in most indoor spaces. The external water bottle refill system is particularly convenient, requiring only 1 to 2 changes throughout the entire hatching cycle. This minimizes disruptions to the incubation environment while still maintaining consistent humidity levels. In terms of performance, the Hatch Pro 12 stands out for its advanced airflow circulation system, which ensures uniform distribution of temperature and humidity. While its capacity of 12 eggs is slightly smaller compared to other models, it's perfect for beginners or those looking to hatch a manageable number of eggs. Pros include precise controls, easy maintenance, and a compact design, while the smaller capacity might be a drawback for users needing higher throughput. Overall, the Apto Hatch Pro 12 is a reliable incubator with advanced features that make hatching a hassle-free experience. Coming in at number 3 is the Chick Cozy 25 Egg Incubator. This 2024 upgraded model is designed for those who need a larger capacity without compromising on precision. With space for up to 25 eggs, Chick Cozy includes advanced features like dual watering trays for flexible humidity control and a thermometer seat for precise temperature monitoring. The automatic egg turner rotates the eggs every hour, ensuring even heat distribution and improving hatch rates. Its visual water-adding design makes maintaining humidity levels effortless, while the clear 360-degree dome provides a full view of the hatching process. The Chick Cozy incubator boasts a sturdy and stylish design, highlighted by its vibrant sunlit orange color. The anti-slip mat and protective walls provide added safety for chicks during and after hatching. Cleaning is simple thanks to the detachable fan and pull-out trays, which allow users to easily wipe down all components. The design also includes a convenient lid handle for one-handed operation, making it user-friendly for beginners and families alike. This incubator offers excellent performance, particularly for those in climates requiring higher or more adjustable humidity levels. The thoughtful design minimizes water spills and condensation buildup, ensuring an optimal environment inside the incubator. Pros include its larger capacity, advanced humidity control, and enhanced safety features, while its slightly higher weight might be less ideal for users seeking portability. Overall, the Chick Cozy 25 Egg Incubator is a fantastic choice for intermediate to advanced users looking for capacity and reliability in their hatching experience. At number 2, we have the Matacoop X30 Egg Incubator. If you're looking for a larger capacity incubator with advanced features, this model might be the perfect fit for you. With room for up to 30 eggs, it's ideal for larger hatching projects. The automatic egg turner rotates eggs at regular intervals, while the external water refill system ensures humidity levels are maintained without opening the lid. The built-in egg handler adds convenience, allowing users to monitor embryo development with ease. Design-wise, the Matacoop X30 is robust and well-built, featuring durable plastic components and a compact form factor suitable for indoor use. Its strong fan-driven airflow system guarantees stable temperature conditions, which is critical for the hatching process. The incubator's user-friendly controls and clear viewing window make it accessible for both beginners and seasoned hatchers. In terms of performance, this incubator excels at providing consistent results thanks to its advanced airflow and automatic features. The larger capacity makes it a great option for small farms or users looking to hatch multiple eggs simultaneously. Pros include its spacious design, reliable performance, and convenient features like the egg handler and external water refill system. On the downside, it's slightly bulkier than smaller models, which might be a consideration for users with limited space. Overall, the Matacoop X30 Egg Incubator is a powerful and dependable choice for serious hatchers. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Harris Farms Nurture Right Egg Incubator. This incubator is widely regarded as one of the most reliable and feature-packed options on the market. With capacity for 12 to 22 chicken eggs, it's versatile enough to handle duck and pheasant eggs as well. Its automatic egg turner replicates natural egg rotation, stopping 3 days before hatching to allow chicks to position themselves comfortably. The 360-degree induced airflow system ensures uniform heat distribution, while the precise temperature and humidity controls help achieve optimal hatch rates. The design of the Harris Farms Nurture Right is truly exceptional. The clear window offers 360-degree visibility, allowing you to monitor your eggs from any angle. Its compact build is perfect for indoor use, while the intuitive control panel simplifies operation. The easy-to-read humidity knob and display make adjustments effortless, and the auto-stop feature ensures no unnecessary egg turning occurs in the final hatching stages. Performance-wise, this incubator delivers consistent and reliable results, making it a favorite among both beginners and professionals. Its versatility allows users to hatch multiple types of eggs, and its user-friendly features make it accessible for families and educational purposes. Pros include its precise controls, durable build quality, and excellent hatch rates, while some might find its capacity slightly limited for larger-scale projects. Priced at $158.06, the Harris Farms Nurture Right Egg Incubator offers unbeatable value for its features and performance, making it the best overall choice on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.